Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host Gamer, and today we're going to look at, again, the MSI faulty AIOs. Are they still being sold after all these years? You're going to be shocked. Sit right back, have a cup of coffee, and we'll get into it. Well, I did some research. I was just going back to a little bit of a search, and I found one of my videos doing the search, and this was published 26th of August 2022, so nearly 2 years ago. Why are alleged faulty CPU AIO coolers still being sold? Exactly. Now, we're 2024. End of July 2024. Could these faulty AIOs still be sold? Let's have a look. What do you think I find? Okay. The MSI Mag Coreliquid 280R V2 AIO CPU liquid cooler. Okay. It is the 24th of July here in New Zealand. It will be the 23rd of July in America. So here it is. This is the 280 radiator. So they've got the 240, the 280, the 240R, 280R, 360R. Okay, and this is the V2 version. Okay, and people just assumed, okay, it's version 2, so they fixed all the problems. Really? They did? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, this AIO was put out November 30th, 2021. Okay, that's the date it was first available here. And what do we get? Okay. 29% 1-star reviews. Let's have a look. Failed within 6 months. White powder on the copper plate. Oh my goodness. Residue problem in 6 months. Pump quit in 6 months. Wouldn't have been nice if it was not refurbished or used. Well, the thing is, what is the problem? My understanding is there's a company called Appaltech that makes these in China, contract manufactures them. They put the pump in the radiator, okay? Now, that's not such an issue, but what the issue is that it appears, and allegedly, the radiators have not been manufactured properly. They basically haven't been cleaned out after manufacture, okay? You need to use appropriate chemicals, clean them out, get some nice smooth surfaces in there. Otherwise, I have heard that it will never come right. So that is the issue. Okay. Found out the hard way that MSI has a track record with the AIO pumps, and it isn't good. After 3 short months, the pump failed. Yes. Okay, bad experience, cost money. If you add up the 3-star, 2-star, 1-star reviews, you're going to get 40% bad reviews here. That's not good. More than 2 years ago, I had this problem with the 240R, the MSI Mag 240R Coreliquid AIO cooler, all-in-one cooler for CPUs. Okay, and basically, what actually happened is after a month of using it, I heard about these faults and these failures, and so I thought, okay, well, let's let's replace the coolant inside the system, and see if that will help prevent the unit from failing. So in this video several years ago, I explained that, and then the next one is where over here is where I replaced the coolant. Now, I could not find any videos on YouTube that showed how to do this, and so that's actually why I made this video. And so it had 10,000 views. So the way I look at it, there's at least 10,000 people that had this problem, be far more. So this is quite a serious problem. And I'll show you what the coolant looks like when I took it out of the AIO. So this is the solution that I took out of the 240R just over 2 years ago. Now it's gotten a bit yellower. It was a bit more white, actually, where suspended solids were visible white suspended solids. Now they've gone off color. So the solution should be absolutely clear. This is just a little sample of the solution that I replaced it, and so after several years, it's still looks great. And that is a coolant. So the solution that I took out of the AIO, the 240R, should have been clear. It shouldn't be cloudy. It shouldn't have suspended solids in it. And that was just after a month after use. So I really didn't see any sediment on the bottom. It was just suspended solids. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. Yeah, as I said, I've been doing a lot of training. That's why I haven't been around much, but any ideas for content, and that will motivate me to make some more videos. But I'm going to keep the channel going and put a video out here and there. And thanks for sticking with me. All right. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. And don't forget, you will be seeing me in the next video.